Hello everyone, hope you all are staying safe and healthy during this difficult time. I just wanted to give an update on the operations here at MCAS and give a little update on our plans and how we're going to move forward and look at this reopening process and how that will work. Our animal control officers are and have been responding to priority calls. Since March 12th, when the county judge issued his first order, MCAS looked at its operational response to COVID. Since then, we have responded to over 583 calls for service, and in responding to those calls for service, we have conducted 2 animal cruelty seizures, 1 vicious dog case as a result from a dog attack which occurred by owned dogs, and MCAS has taken in a total of 450 animals. MCAS has been collaborating with and following the guidance of national organizations such as NACA, the National Animal Care and Control Association, APA, American Pets Alive, HSUS, Humane Society of the United States, Best Friends Animal Society, and many other organizations who have been so great about the response to COVID-19. We are very glad that with the planning and implementation, no staff members have become ill due to COVID-19 as of today. There are unfortunately other organizations who have not been so lucky. While the county judge has lifted the county order, the state of Texas order continues. So with that, we continue to urge citizens to follow that order. During this time, we have been in direct contact with Fort Bend County, Harris County, City of Houston, shelter leadership. We have also been in direct contact with other nonprofit organizations. MCAS, as well as other shelters, have been operating in 2 shifts to minimize any potential quarantine or disease issues with staff members. I have been participating in numerous regional and national calls to collaborate on policy decisions for animal welfare as a whole. This whole COVID-19 is just unprecedented, and all of animal welfare as a whole has been working together nationally on how to best respond to this. We have participated and utilized the guidances put out by national organizations. MCAS has had to be a little bit more cautious about protecting our staff as we have half the number of staff members as some of the other organizations. And if we had a quarantine issue or issue with a sick staff member, it would have been a much greater impact, potentially crippling our operations completely. MCAS has been working tirelessly in making our operations more electronic and paper-free, minimizing methods of human disease transmission. Some of those have been the adoption application, foster application, as well as appointment-based systems. We have also been working on social media awareness graphics to help educate citizens on key issues that we see. Things operationally have remained relatively unchanged since my last release. We have been assisting people in keeping their pets, assisting finders with solutions and resources, and partnering with rescue organizations. Subject to any additional guidance from Governor Abbott or Judge Keough, we are now working on how the reopening process will work at MCAS. At the current time, we are planning to have intakes by appointment starting on Saturday, May the 2nd. We will continue to encourage social distancing and continue keeping the number of people in the shelter at an appropriate level in an effort to protect the staff and the citizens that visit us. We also hope to be able to reopen the wellness services sometime soon. We hope within the next week or 2. All other services will remain the same as they currently have been. For all the citizens that have stepped up and adopted or fostered animals so MCAS could lower the number of animals in our care during this uncertain time, we simply cannot say thank you enough. As has happened at many shelters across the country, MCAS has almost emptied the shelter. We would like to thank all of the rescue organizations out there who have assisted people with stray and owned pets during this time of uncertainty. Your support and dedication to the community has not gone unnoticed. Last but not least, I also want to take a moment to say the biggest thank you to all of our volunteers. It is Volunteer Appreciation Week, and we greatly miss all of you. Thank you for all of the things you have been assisting us with from home, such as the enrichment items, marketing work, etc. So again, to all of the volunteers, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything that you do. On behalf of the entire team here at MCAS, we miss all of you. We really can't wait to see you all again, and we really hope that you are staying well.